This is Michael's story. Today, Happy Trails visits Bear Creek Nature Trail in Mississippi River State Park. The Visitor Center is on Highway 44, just a couple of miles southeast of Marianna. The trailhead is 4.3 miles south of the Visitor Center, across the road from Beach Point Campground. Park in the gravel lot at the overflow area. There's a nice vault toilet and informational signs at the trailhead. On the day I visited, there was a small kaleidoscope of butterflies enjoying the warm day. Bear Creek Nature Trail is a beautiful slice of Crowley's Ridge and heads down the hill and then up to a ridgetop. You'll find wildflowers and a number of signs identifying the trees along the crushed rock trail. Handy steps make it easy to descend the ridge down to the ravine. And several bridges get you across the small creek you've crossed before. The moss-covered trail heads back up another ridge, and if you have the chance, be sure to do the ant dance. At the top of the ridge, there's a short spur to a second trailhead opposite the campground entrance. But you'll want to continue down the hill to return to where you started. Total distance, just under a mile. Do you have small fry with more energy to burn? Return to the Visitor Center and walk the paved Trotting Fox Trail that runs behind it for an additional half mile.